What is going on, guys? It's Arjun Racing here with another YouTube video. Today we have the Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo from Mini GT. This is my first car from the Mini GT lineup, and I'm really pumped to have this. So we're just gonna have a look around the box first before we open it. So at the back we have the serial number, I assume, with the social media information. That's empty, and here we have a few warning labels such as choking hazards and stuff, and we'll see in a bit why that is quite important. Now at the back of the box we have the Bugatti logo, I guess it's an emblem, as well as a TSM model sticker. So maybe this is to prove the originality of the product. But without further ado, let us unbox this car. I present to you the Bugatti Vision GT from Mini GT. There's a lot of GTs there. Anyways, right off the bat, the car looks amazing. Phenomenal car, phenomenal vehicle. It looks amazing. I am so excited to have this in my collection as my first car. But I just want to compliment the plastic casing that Mini GT has put inside here. It's amazing because it's actually very sturdy and relatively strong. So I would say it will protect the car from any external hits. And now we're gonna just try to remove the car from the box. So you can see it's quite sturdy. So that's a really good thing. And now there you go, the Mini GT out of the box, the Bugatti Vision GT out of the box. So just a fun fact about this vehicle, the Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo, it's a concept car developed by Bugatti, and it's manufactured here in France, honestly, actually. And if you want to know the information, this vehicle has a 8-liter quad turbocharged W16 engine, and the power output from this vehicle is about close to 1,500 horsepower. And the Gran Turismo Sport version has a horsepower of about 1,630, which is 130 horsepower more. It has a 7-speed dual clutch transmission as well, and it weighs about close to 1,800 kilograms or 3,800 pounds. So here we are going to have a look around the vehicle. Awesome little vehicle, I would say. To be able to pack so much detail into such a small vehicle is truly amazing. So let's look at the back. Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel. I mean, look at that spoiler, that wing, that massive wing, and it's just amazing. It's phenomenal. And as well as that quad exhaust, we can see right there, quad exhaust, and that long red tail light. Amazing vehicle. The attention to detail is just simply awesome. So here we have the wheels. The wheels don't really spin much, but I guess it makes sense because this is more of a collector's item than a race car, or like something that Hot Wheels does. So here we can see the gas caps. They should have gas caps on both the sides, which is I guess quite a cool feature to see. Or maybe they're not. I'm not really sure. Anyways, we're gonna move to the front of the car as well. The Bugatti logo at the top, and yeah, from the top view, I mean, this vehicle looks menacing, doesn't it? I mean, the angles, the lines, and everything else. And here we're just gonna go back and have another look, because I'm mesmerized, and I keep wanting to show you guys this car again and again. This car cost about $26 here in Singapore, which honestly it's one of the most expensive cars that I have in my collection, or one of my most expensive 1 to 64 scaled model cars. And yeah, I just want to note before we continue, the base of this vehicle is really a disappointment, to be honest, because I mean, it's really very plain. I know there's no details at the base except for the Mini GT logo, as well as the Made in China writing. But that's a bummer. I mean, Hot Wheels now do put details on the base of the car, and so I expected that from Mini GT as well. But nevertheless, an awesome looking vehicle. We're just gonna do another walk around, because why not, right? I mean, look at this vehicle, guys. What an amazing car, and all the carbon fiber bits and accents. Truly magnificent. And yeah, let's just enjoy this car for a bit. I'm just speechless. I think this is an amazing purchase, and I think if you all collectors out there, you should get one of these for yourselves as well. The wheels, once again, they don't spin, so I guess not really much I can do about that. But from here we're going to move on to a few cinematic shots. I know it isn't as good as other YouTubers, but I'm trying. So If you guys have any comments, let me know in the comments. If you guys have any suggestions on how I can make the video better, or if you want to know specific information, you can let me know in the comments as well. And I'll really appreciate this from you guys. If any of you have any recommendations on which car to buy, because definitely I'm getting more Mini GTs in my series. So let me know which car I should get. If I should get the Liberty Body, Liberty Works Lamborghini, or if I should get a Supra. So let me know, and if I can find the right opportunity, I'll purchase them, and we can unbox them together here on my YouTube channel. But besides that, guys, I want to take this opportunity to let you know that I also have a TikTok account where I do a lot of unboxing and reviews as well. So guys, if you guys have TikTok and you want to watch more unboxing and reviews, please drop me a follow and like my video on TikTok. And at the same time, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. If you really enjoyed it, press the notifications for more updates when I do really post another video. But just like that, guys, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.